Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? So today we start online class conducted by BMC Education Department. Okay, now ready, students? So I'm taking first activity. Clap your hands. All the students, clap your hands. Fast. Fast. Now slow. Fast. Okay, now opposite side. Fast. Slow. Now fast. Okay, students. So we start our lecture. Okay. Students, tell me some vehicles name. You know some vehicles name? Tell me some names of vehicles like car, bus, train. Yes. Boat, aeroplane.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me some names of vehicles.
Yes, teacher.
What you see in our surroundings? Some vehicles, auto rickshaw, taxi, car, bus,
Yes.
bicycle. Okay, now tell me two-wheelers vehicle. Two-wheelers vehicle like scooter, bike, bicycle. Okay. So students, today we learn English subject and our lesson 4.7 bicycle. Okay. Okay, students. So today we learn a story of two friends. Okay. Two friends and one bicycle. See, students, this is our lesson number 7, bicycle. Listen, read aloud, and enact. Okay, students. So what you see in this picture? See, students, one boy sitting on a bicycle. Okay. One boy sitting on a bicycle and he wear a red shirt. His name is Raj. Okay. Raj is on the bicycle. Varad born seat. See the second picture. This blue shirt boy name is Varad. Okay. Now Varad born seat. See the first picture. Raj is on the bicycle. And the second boy Varad. Varad also wants the bicycle. Now what Varad do? Varad push Raj off and rides the bicycle. Students, see the third picture. Varad sitting on a bicycle. Raj sitting on a bicycle. Then come Varad. Varad also want bicycle. But what Varad do? Varad push Raj. This is a good manners or bad manners, beta?
Bad manners.
Yes. We want something, so we ask our friends, please give me, but don't push or harm our friends. Raj feel very sad. And Varad is, see his face. He is happy. Raj cries. He feels sad and also angry. Why he feels angry? Why Raj feel angry, beta? Because Varad take his bicycle. What do you think will happen next? See the next picture. Okay, students, see this picture. Raj and Bharat fighting. Okay, and here one lady is also coming. So now we read the next paragraph. Raj grabs the bicycle bag. Raj and Bharat shout, Sushma madam, come over. This Sushma madam hear the shout of Raj and Bharat. So Sushma madam come out. Raj, you look upset. What Sushma madam said to Raj? Raj, you look upset. And Bharat, you seem angry. Sushma madam tell. Sushma madam heard the Raj and Bharat shout and she comes. And what she tell? Raj, you look upset, and Bharat, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Bharat. I was on the bicycle, you push me. Don't do that, said Raj. Okay, now tell me, student, who is right, Raj or Bharat?
Bharat.
Bharat is right. Why? Bharat pushed Raj and Bharat take Raj's bicycle. So Bharat is not right, beta. Raj is right. Okay. Why? Because Bharat push Raj and take his bicycle. Okay. Now see the next paragraph. Students, you all understand this paragraph?
Yes.
Okay. See again one time I tell you. Raj grabs the bicycle back. Raj and Bharat shouted. And listen of this shout, Sushma madam comes. And what she see? She see Raj looks upset. And Bharat also seem angry. And Bharat said, I want the bicycle. I was on the bicycle. Raj said, I was on the bicycle. You push me. Don't do that again. Okay. What Raj says, you push me and don't do again. Now students understand? Okay. Now see the next paragraph. Raj and Bharat both want the bicycle. What should they do? Now see students. Bicycle is one. Okay. How many bicycles are here?
One.
Yes. One. And Raj and Bharat, two boys are here. Okay. Okay. And two boys, one bicycle. So what should they do? Bharat can have the bicycle. When I have finished my turn, I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it's your turn. Okay. Then one solution. Raj says, I can have the bicycle, but Bharat can have the bicycle when I have finished my turn. Okay. I will ride 3 times, said Raj. What Raj says? I will ride 3 times, then your turn. Then you also ride 3 times. Okay. I will count. So students, they have a solution. What Raj says, I have finished my turn, then it's your turn. Then again, Raj's turn, then Bharat's turn. And they finish 3 rounds, 3 times. Okay. Raj takes 3 times and then Bharat takes 3 times. Then again Raj's turn. Okay. I will count, said the Bharat. Now students understand this paragraph?
Yes.
Yes. So only one bicycle and two friends, Raj and Bharat. Then what they do? They take one solution. Turn by turn they ride the cycle. Okay. Now see the first turn of Raj. Red shirt boy's name is Raj. They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it is Bharat's turn. They both had a turn. Okay, students. First Raj rides the bicycle, then Bharat rides the bicycle, and Raj rides 3 rounds, and then Bharat rides 3 rounds. They both have a turn. Now tell me, student, how is Raj feeling now? See the Raj face.
Bicycle.
Yes, but how Raj feeling now?
I'm feeling now very happy.
Yes. Raj feeling happy. Now Raj feeling very happy. Okay. And how is Bharat feeling now?
Happy.
Yes.
Happy.
In the end of the story, Raj is also feeling happy and Bharat is also feeling happy. Yes, student?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You understand this story?
Yes.
Okay. So again, I read one time. Okay, student? Lesson number 7, bicycle. Raj is, see the picture, students, carefully. Okay. Now I ask you some question. Then you tell me the answer. Okay, student?
Yes.
Okay. So again I read, you listen carefully. Raj is on the bicycle. Bharat wants it. Bharat pushes Raj off and rides the bicycle. How does Raj feel? How does Bharat feel? Raj cries. He feels sad and angry. What do you think will happen? Will happen next? Raj grabs the bicycle back. Raj and Bharat shout. Sushma madam comes over. Raj, you look upset. And Bharat, you seem angry. I want the bicycle, said Bharat. I was on the bicycle. You push me. Don't do that, said Raj. Raj and Bharat both want the bicycle. What could they do? Bharat can have the bicycle. When I have finished my turn, I will ride 3 times, said Raj. Then it's your turn. Okay, I will count. They have worked it out. Raj is having a turn on the bicycle. Now it is Bharat's turn. They both had a turn. How is Raj feeling now? How is Bharat feeling now? Okay, students.
Raj, rather than that,
Raj feeling happy and Vanadi also feeling happy. In the end of the stories, 2 friends both are very happy to ride the bicycle. Okay, students. Okay, so what do you learn from this story?
bicycle.
Yes, this is a story for bicycle. But what we learn? When we want something, we should not fight with each other. Okay? When we want something from our friend, our parents, our brother, sister, so we don't fight. Okay? What we do, we ask them to give me.
And share things.
Yes. We ask to give me thing, but don't fight. Yes, very good. And whenever we ask something, so we behave politely. Okay? And we never harm anyone. We never push anyone. Okay? because this is a manners. Yes or no? First Varad push Raj. So this is a bad manner. Okay. And we all are good boys and girls. We are all are helpful girls and boys. So we don't harm anyone. Okay. If you want something, then you ask your friends. You share your things with your friends. You share or not, students? Your friends. What you share? Your games. Okay. Sometimes you share your badminton, bat ball. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. When you go to play with your friends, so you share your ball, bat, games. Okay, football. We share our things with our friends. Okay. From this lesson, we share our things with our friends, our parents, our brother and sister, but don't harm, don't push. Okay. Okay, students, you learn this lesson very well. You know this lesson.
Yes.
All of you understand this lesson.
Yes.
Okay. Ask you some question. Ready? Ready, students?
Yes.
Can I ask questions?
Yes.
You listen this lesson carefully, now.
Yes.
Now you give me the answers. See. Who is on the bicycle? Tell me the answer.
Raj is on the bicycle.
Very good.
Bicycle.
Raj is on the bicycle. Now our second question. What does Raj grab back?
Raj grab bag.
Yes. Bicycle. Raj grabs the bicycle back because the bicycle is Raj and Bharat push Raj and take his bicycle. So Raj grabs the bicycle back. Okay. Students, again read with me. Raj grabs the bicycle
Grab the bicycle.
back. Yes. Okay. Again, first question answer we repeat. Who is on the bicycle? Repeat after me. Raj
Raj
is
is
on the
on the
bicycle.
bicycle.
Second question. What does Raj grab back? Raj
Raj
grabs the bicycle back.
bicycle back. Bicycle.
Now, third question. What do Raj and Bharat want? What do
Bicycle.
very good.
On the bicycle.
Is the right answer. So, after me. Raj and Bharat
Raj and Raj
both want
both want
the bicycle.
the bicycle.
Okay, very good. Again, one time. Raj and Bharat
Raj and Raj
both want
both want
the bicycle.
the bicycle.
Okay. Now, last question. How many rounds do Raj and Bharat have?
3 rounds. Raj and Bharat have 3 rounds.
Yes.
3 times.
Very good.
3 times.
Yes, 3 times. Now, repeat after me. Raj and Bharat.
Raj and Bharat. Raj and Bharat
Both have
Both have
3 rounds.
3 rounds.
Okay. What they decide? Raj take 3 rounds and then Bharat take 3 rounds. Okay, very good, students. You give me the answer very well. Now, students, take one more exercise. How do you feel? Draw and write. See here given 2 faces. First one is happy face and second face is sad. Okay. You see the face, students?
Yes.
Yes, the first one is
Happy.
and second one is
Sad.
sad. So this question, you draw this picture, draw this face, happy face or a sad face, and then you write also here. Okay. So see, first question. When you got chocolate, when you get chocolate. So when you get chocolate, you are happy. What do you feel? Happy or sad?
Happy. Happy
Yes.
face.
So you draw here a happy face and write here happy. See here given happy word. Okay. So you draw in this box a happy face. Now second question. When you share your things, so you feel happy or sad?
Happy.
When you, yes, when you share your things, you feel happy. So you draw here happy face and write here happy. Now third question. When you help your friend, what you feel?
Happy face. Happy face.
Yes. When you give your friends pencil, rubber or crayons, color, something, you help your friend. Okay. So you feel very happy to help your friend. So you draw here happy face and write here happy. Now students, when you lost your pencil, okay, you have nice, yes, you have nice new pencil, drawing cartoon. So you lost your pencil. So what you feel?
Sad face.
Sad. So what you draw here? A happy face or sad face?
Sad face.
Yes. You draw here a sad face and write here sad. S-A-D, sad. Okay. Okay, student. It means you all know this lesson very well. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is our Bal Bharati book and see page number 39. Page number 39 bicycle. And today we discuss some question answer. You write in your notebook. See, page number 40. You write this question answer in your notebook. Okay. Please answer the following question. And how do you feel? Draw and write. You write on your notebook. Okay. This is your homework. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So you read this lesson and write question answer in your notebook. Okay, students?
Yes.
Okay. So, students, you all know this lesson very well. You like this video?
Yes.
Okay. If you like this video, so you share it with your friends and family. Okay. And subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.